Hey everybody, this is Kate Szekely, and I'm a yoga teacher at Urban Sadhu Yoga, Jersey City. And I'm going to talk to you today a little bit about my workshop on activating the core this Sunday, March 28th from 5 to 7 p.m. I feel like we hear the term core thrown around a lot, both in pop culture and social media, and even in a yoga class. But not everybody really knows exactly what it means. The term abs come to mind, but really the core is a system, a muscular system that has multiple parts to it. And in order to stabilize and strengthen the entire body, you absolutely need optimal core engagement. So in this workshop, we're going to break down first, what do we mean by the core? What are the muscles involved? What are the parts of the body and the relative areas that you can find them? And B, we're going to go through specific yoga asanas, the postures of hatha yoga, and break down what it means to engage your core within those asanas and some little cues that you can give yourself so that even if you don't have a teacher right in front of you, you can always activate the core. I hope to see you there. Again, it's this Sunday, March 28th from 5 to 7 p.m.